Okay, so the next stage that we have is we need to take our PDF and somehow link it to the database. Now in order to do this we need to write a very simple macro, and then after that we need to fiddle around with some of the settings to get it to run. So in order to create the macro, let's do that first. So we're going to go onto the Create tab and go to Macro, and you get this screen up. Make sure that you click Show All Actions, and the command that you want to use is Run App. Okay. Once you press that, then you'll see you'll be able to enter in a command line down here. Now I've actually already produced my macro, so I'll just show you the completed one. And if I just go to the design view of that, it's very important that you get what is in this command line correct. What you need in here is the exact path to the exe file for Adobe Reader so that it launches Adobe Reader. So C program files Adobe Reader 9 Reader acroread 32.exe, and you'll notice that's in quotes, and then a space, and then the second set of quotes is the exact path to the file you want to open. Okay, so mine looks a little bit odd because I'm running this on a Mac and I've got a shared virtual machine, but you need to have the exact path. Now on my Brock you will find the exact path, which is very similar to this one, to open up Adobe Reader on the college machines. If you're on your own machine, then you might have a slightly different path, and it's not going to work unless you have to put put that in. So you've got the path for the Adobe itself, space, and then in quotes the path for your PDF file, a copy of your user guide. Okay. Now once you've done that, this is very important. I will repeat this when we get to it. What this means is you're hard coding those paths in. So if you move your database onto a different computer, or you're using it at home or from your memory stick, and then you move it in any way, it may cause the help no longer to work. Now, what you need to make sure you do is when you write your user guide, you need to make sure that you put that in the troubleshooting as a potential problem. And when you're considering the installation of your system, which will also include the installation of any files, then you need to consider that as well. Okay, so just a very simple one-line macro with Run App. Make sure your paths are correct, and then what the next stop in the next video will be to how to link it together.